My name's Dan. I attended Jim's 3-day workshop. Prior to doing the workshop, my background was in advertising and marketing, and during that time I was a property investor doing renovations and smaller scale developments. I found Jim's workshop very informative and easy to follow. I liked how he breaks down the development process into 7 simple steps. He explained each development phase in detail and invited industry speakers to discuss their roles in the development process, such as town planners, engineers and quantity surveyors and architects, to name a few. The workshop was made up of about, say, 20 people, which made it feel more personal, and you could ask Jim and his guests questions throughout the 3 days. I also found it was a great networking opportunity to meet other like-minded people interested in property development. After the 3-day workshop, I joined Jim's masterclass, which was also made up of 6 other students who did the 3-day workshop. And the masterclass is truly unique because members get to work together as a team rather than doing it alone or trying to figure things out on your own. And under Jim's guidance, we researched town plans, we identified areas with development potential and sourced sites in our chosen area. We then successfully negotiated and amalgamated multiple lots in Sydney using option agreements with landowners. And from there we worked with consultants and council to obtain a DA for 136 apartments, and we successfully made a decent profit. The masterclass is a great opportunity to work as part of a team on a real life project. It allowed us to complete tasks faster, and each participant could experience multiple roles during the development journey, such as the negotiations or legals, feasibilities or marketing. Since then, I've been involved in multiple apartment developments and subdivisions in New South Wales and Queensland. If you're considering property development, Jim's 3-day workshop is definitely a great place to start. If you want mentoring from a property developer with experience, Jim's masterclass is a unique opportunity to work as part of a team on a real life development project with the added bonus of making money through shared profits at the end.
Pride and joy, you're loud and clear, we gotta build something here. Loud and clear, we gotta build something here.